from Red Hot Stampers. Today I'm so excited to show you this project. It's a fun gift card holder. You know I like pop-up and interactive cards. This one is my favorite, all-time favorite project. I'm so excited to share this with you. So I'm gonna open it up sideways. So this one's for Halloween, but you can use for birthdays, Christmas, any holiday. Here we go, ready? So much fun! So all these cubes will pop up in the box and I'm gonna show you how to make that. So let's get started. Okay, so for today's project, you're going to need 3 sheets of cardstock. You can go ahead and cut them all in half at 5.5 inches. Then you're going to take 4 of those sheets of cardstock, those half sheets of cardstock, and you're going to score them at 1 3/4, 3.5, and then go ahead and cut at 5 1/4 or score it. That will be cut off eventually though. So that's on the 5.5 inch side. On the 8.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1 3/4, 2, 2 1/4, 4, 5 3/4, 6, 6 1/4, and 8 inches. So those are the scoring. Then what you're going to do is cut. You're basically going to trim the side off, except you're going to leave 2 triangles with flaps to fold that in on each side. So when you're done cutting, it will look like this. So just trim straight across, notch that out, take a notch out of there, then cut from the score line to the middle here, cut a diagonal, and then you can do it on the same side over here, or I found that it's easier to just turn your paper and then cut. Keep that score line tab. This one I actually forgot to make the little notch mark there. So if you fold these, if you cut these little corners, it's easier to fold it all in. So, and then you're just going to leave this tab here, this 1/2 inch tab, that's going to fold in to close the box. So there's what you have cut. And then what you're going to do is add some strong adhesive. I have my tear and tape with a smiley face for my child. And you're just going to add pieces of that to each of these notches. And that's all you have to do. Then, once you've added the tear and tape, or even glue dots would work, I would probably use 3 per tab. You're going to take a rubber band. This one is, I don't know how they size rubber bands, but it fits in my palm. And you do want a skinny rubber band. So you're going to take your bone folder and burnish all those folds so that you have a nice crisp box. And then you're going to take your rubber band and slide it over and put it into that little accordion. Let's see if we can get a good side angle there. So you're just going to slide that into the accordion. There. And then you're going to flip it over to the other side, and I just kind of pinch that closed to hold it. You're going to twist it just once and then slide that other side in, and then this will fit into the other accordion. And see how that pulls it? That's what's going to pull your box from a flat box up to a cube. So you're just going to pinch those, and then you've got your strong adhesive on there, so all you have to do is close that into a box. Adhere those all together. Okay? Then when you've got it's all adhered into a cube, I'm going to show you this again. I'm going to make it spring out right at you. What you're going to do is take that cube and smash it down so that it lies flat. And you're just pinching that. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, once you have that cut, okay, I totally forgot to show you, when you have that all cut out, what you're going to do is score the corner, or like the triangle pieces, you're going to score that. So just from here, and then here, and then all over here, and over here. You're just going to make a score line. That's how you're going to be able to pinch it closed. Okay. So, okay, so then you're just going to pinch that and it'll lie flat, and you're going to lay that in your box on top of your gift card. Who doesn't love a Target gift card? Okay, so you're going to pinch those closed, and you're going to fit 4 of them inside a box. I think oh, there they are. Just be careful because they do fly. We're going to add those. And then you're just going to slide that into the lid. And then you just pull it out and boom. So much fun. You could add confetti or sequins in there, something that'll make a big mess when it pops out so your friend hates you forever. Just kidding. But isn't that the most fun gift card holder you've ever seen? It's so much fun to make. I'm like, my mind is just blown that I even figured out how to do that. So I hope you enjoyed that. All the instructions are printed on my blog at redhotstampers.com, so you can find all the measurements and everything there so that it's a little easier to put together. So thanks for watching, and go make some exploding boxes. They're so much fun. Have a good day.